Hi everybody, Patrick here from EscapeRoomElectronics.com, EngineeringShock.com, and PaintballProps.com, links below. This is a wireless solenoid or electromagnet control set. Comes with a 12-volt 1-amp adapter, wireless key fob, control board, and either a 12-volt solenoid or 12-volt electromagnet depending on which listing you're interested in. Both will be listed at Escape Room Electronics and at EngineeringShock.com. So again, the link's below. I'll be doing demonstrations for both. They both work the same way. There'll be two listings. This video will be used for both listings. So in any case, what I've got here is the control board. Power plugs in here. You don't need to do anything. It comes fully assembled with this jumper on. Never remove that jumper. Ignore this terminal block. It is not used. What you've got here are normally on or normally off terminal blocks, and off on the left and on the right. So if you have your solenoid or your electromagnet connected to the N-on terminal, when you power up, the solenoid or electromagnet are energized. If you connect it to the N-off terminal block, when you power it on, the solenoid or the electromagnet is not energized. And there are obviously two pins for terminal block, M plus, M minus. M plus is your red wire, M minus is your black wire in both cases for the solenoid and for the electromagnet. M for magnetism, for magnet, because both of them use electromagnetic properties. This uses, they both actually use an internal coil. So let's have a demonstration. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. The electromagnet comes with this mounting hardware. There will be a video in the listing with more information on your electromagnet. But as you can see, right now, not energized, power is not connected. So I'm going to power up. I've got my electromagnet connected to the M on, or normally on, terminal. And as you can see, very strong. Don't want for my control board to go off the page. Now I'm going to press any button and I can hold it or I can let go almost immediately. Press it again. And it waits. If you press and hold, the program waits for you to let go before doing another instruction. So on, off, on, off. So on, de-energized. And again, energized. You actually heard the magnet kick in and it and the bracket sticks on. So off, de-energized, make sure it's lined up perfectly, on again, and energized. So you can control this from about 100 meters away, especially if you're in an open area. If you find you're not getting good enough reception from a far distance, you can extend the antenna, but it's not really necessary, especially within an escape room. Now this isn't escape room specific, but it can be used in an escape room area or an escape room game. I just figured I'd make this board because it's nice to have different options. We've also got microswitch controlled electromagnetic locks, key switch electromagnetic locks, and this is our wireless magnetic lock. So let's have a look at the solenoid. I neglected to mention this earlier, but the solenoid version comes with a 12-volt 2-amp adapter. I've got it wired up to the normally off terminal, and I'll press a button. Press it again. Now, just for the sake of showing you, I'm going to walk 2 rooms away. I am about halfway across my house right now. I know it's working obviously because I can hear it. I can hear the solenoid plunger. So I'll press it again. Works very nicely. The solenoid comes as is with the wires. You just have to connect it to the main board, and I can customize this set too because I have a few input-output ports, so I can interface this with other electronic props that I have. So again, if you're interested in either of these props, they will be listed below, the links at EscapeRoomElectronics.com and EngineeringShock.com. But if you have any questions, just feel free to contact us through either of those websites. Thanks again for watching, everyone, and have a great day.